प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, आप सबको मेरा विनम्रता भरा नमस्कार। सबसे पहले I must express my gratitude to have been invited to convey my thoughts on the Universal Brotherhood. The topic chosen for the e-conference on linking hearts, organized by the Shipping Aviation Tourism Wing of Brahma Kumaris. Universal Brotherhood is observed annually on 11 September around the world to honor the historic speech delivered by Swami Vivekananda in 1893 in Chicago to the delegates of the World Parliament of Religions. Universal Brotherhood does not merely include those who share the same religion or belief, rather, it implies boundless love that encompasses all people. This is a feeling in which all humans are equal, irrespective of the caste, creed, race, religion, gender, etc. Every person is the same under different uniforms. Every person is touched by grief and happiness. We humans, among the species of living beings, have been empowered with the reasoning faculty and that extra free will to make choices based on the same. The world today needs peace and brotherhood. We should make the right choices. The need to work towards a common good would indeed be the progress of mankind. Universal brotherhood is necessary to encourage and assist in self-improvement, both intellectual as well as spiritual, improving our moral values. Without the innate sense of brotherhood and fellowship, achieving any level of balance and equanimity would not have been possible, as unhealthy conflicts impede spiritual growth. It is thus essential that this sense of well-being and togetherness and oneness that is experienced with the universe and its people that help us to elevate ourselves as mankind is not forgotten. The world is one big family. We are all dependent on each other for numerous reasons. This message of universal brotherhood could not have been more appropriate at this juncture when we have traversed all together through these challenging times of the pandemic. Whatever we took for granted has today become dear, including our common need to meet each other. The pandemic has taught us those values which were taken for granted and forgotten by us. The adages of the past keep surfacing now to point out the relevance of the good old principles enshrined in our culture. Compassion and empathy are also amongst the foremost attitudes that go into making a civilized society and build the foundation for its sustenance and growth. I belong to the shipping sector, which has also faced undue challenges during this time. And one such challenge related to the crew change, and the company rose to the occasion and we continued to ensure transportation of essential supplies and uninterrupted trade flow requirements despite the constraints. This was all possible due to the key workers, our frontline workers in the shipping fraternity who helped to achieve all this. The crew changes were addressed with safety first, and we ensured a qualitative crew change with due care, compassion, and ensuring that the seafarers reached their home healthy and safe. We still continue to strive and deal together to meet up the challenge of the times. The concept, though very apt for this time, has been a part of our culture from the ancient times, and our Vedic lore of Vasudeva Kutumbam, principle of living in harmony with the fellow beings, could not be revived but also reinforced such that they sustain and provide lasting benefits to all. I would like to end with an ancient yet peace mantra for all. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhin, Sarve Santu Niramya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyant, Ma Kashid Dukha Bhagvet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.